I see the girl them in the party, I be themselves tonight. Them people a party like a new generation. Clean to we shoes to we pants, party with mans. Party turn up us we have to buzz a blanca. Blanca, every girl a blanca. Got me full of money like me brother them a blanca. Just another day in the life of a G. Money and girl me a pretty. You know see a girl me a pretty. You know see a girl me a pretty. Smart of the ever me not behave. Tonight every girl I'm a slave.
Those were highlights from Igloo held in Atlanta. Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and for the next half an hour we have interviews, music videos, e-news, and so much more. The Pree Dis journey starts right now. Marco Polo Bikini Colors Cooler Edition will be held on Heroes Day, October 17th at Cable Hut in Bull Bay. Let's check out highlights from last year's Marco Polo.
I don't beg for no, weed is my best friend. And me no want see no next friend, dog. Weed is my best friend. Some boy where you talk and I lip, me not trust them. Weed is my best friend. You know, weed is my best friend. He done me best party, me best charge. Right now with
every guy car rebound the ding ding. Body bomb the ding ding. Yellow wine rebound the ding ding. Body bomb the. I was the gal them over rebound the ding ding. What's the gal them over?
What brought you to Marco Polo tonight?
Devin the doctor can't come here. Where are you born? Devin the doctor straight.
First time to Marco Polo?
Yes, it's the first time to Marco Polo. Fly free.
What you like about the party tonight?
The party was nice, it's nice.
Well, right now, I tell you so far, as I can see, everything shot. You understand? You don't know, it's so loud, yeah? You see me? The whole temple from Montego, from Mobile, you see me? I like how the party look, it's a good turnout. That's it. Temple side, which is the best side. Yes, man. Like how girls on my carry on, I don't know.
Talking, I mean, the boy I call Dr. Fish, and because the man see me down this morning,
Waterland right now is the only place to have been tonight. If you're not at Waterland, clearly you're not at anywhere at all. Marco Polo ran the entire Heroes weekend for this Heroes weekend 2015. I mean, it's only big things to come. What's the secret behind Marco Polo's success? Lot of work. Lot of work. I mean, we are here every single week. We have been to every single fish. Well, not fish right, but we have been to every single party. We have been to every single round we have been. We have supported everyone, and they know, and they came out tonight and supported us, knowing that Marco Polo has to be the place that has to be. No doubt.
the girls with them no add up to one on my list. Tell them a gal is, and them never buck a teacher girl, nor run up your girl, fit check them iris. Tell them a gal is, and them never buck a girl, we pretty yet, never make your knee work kitty yet. Tell them a gal is, beat them thing local, them never get a girl from New York City yet. Well, alright.
Well, Devin is from St. Mary, so it was an obvious choice, and St. Mary people came out tonight and represented for him as well. I mean, the place is totally amazing right now. I mean, the people are cooperating, you know, everybody's good, security is excellent. I mean, Fabian is right here right now, and just the place is excellent. I'm tired. Yeah, man, we just want to big up everybody for coming out, man. I mean, wow, overwhelming. We just want to say big up to everybody. I mean, they're not going to watch it, they're not going to see it, you know. That's how we this, and how we say Pree Dis.
So what if my wife a party? What if my wife a party? Live your life before you lost it. Me feel the vibes, I know me charging. Me want relax.
Marco Polo, what was the experience like for you tonight?
I mean, it's a great experience, you know, St. Mary at my place. People them love the vendor doctor. Boom shala some cash, man. I mean, the response great if you watch back video tape. Yeah, we see it, you know, boom shala some cash, man, down your place, yeah. The newest singer right now, we have one named Humba Bike. The girl them love that one named Ride. You know, say them a gal is well out. We have one down in Jamaica. Right now we work on an EP with Sly and Robbie. You know, so that's on that EP there. It's a collaborator on EP, me and Jail. So you can look out for that also soon. So we'll leave our work up on.
Would you do another Marco Polo?
Of course, why not? Marco Polo shot, man.
Girl link me on WhatsApp. Fuck she big shots that top. Tell me say she want to get back up. Say she want it all back, she don't have shop. But you put her in, she have back. She have it one in the first one. Me have to play one song in a Marco Polo now. This turn the neighbors. Look side of you. Any girl now want something wrong with it?
As accidents continue to happen on our roads, let's listen up to this accident prevention tip courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
These road safety tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. Driving with loud music can be very distracting and cause you to lose focus on the roads. The noise can prevent drivers from hearing audio cues around them, such as emergency sirens and horns, as well as visual signs. You could also miss a stoplight or a stop sign. Channel surfing on the radio or putting in a CD while driving does take attention away from the road. So in essence, drive with the music at very low levels or simply turn off the radio.
When we get back from the break, it's all about our video premiere and our celebrity interview. We'll be right back.